Hey there, YouTube. It's Redneck Fabricator back here again. And we just wanted to fill y'all in on a little thing here. We did an opposed 20-horse twin swap on my wide body Murray. So I couldn't keep that sumbitch at 12.5 working right. Burn up 2 or 3 different starters. And I've had this 20-horse twin for a while and I decided to go to it. I'm going to have to do some hood modification on it. But I'm sorry I didn't get y'all in on the whole swap, but I was pretty aggravated the whole time. I didn't want that on the internet. So we're just going to fire this sucker up for you and let you hear it. And, alright, Kim. Now the reason it was spitting and sputtering so bad is because we had to kill it with the choke because we haven't got everything hooked up yet. We just wanted to make sure it was going to run right. But I don't care what a lot of people say about these twins, these opposed twins, but they're about like a 6.0. Some of them's good and some of them's bad. This one's always been a real good one. I've had it on 1 or 2 different mowers. It's probably the 2nd or 3rd mower I've had it on. And well, we're going to get her finished up and get her going on down the road, and we're going to share some more videos with y'all on building some more of these and some riding videos.